I'm gonna make a chocolate cake. Very easy, very, very simple, and super delicious. Without delay, let's make the cake. We have to cut the chocolate. There's a lot of pieces. Never cut by yourself. Ask a grown-up to help you. We have to pour the milk into the pan. The whole thing. It's so cold. That's why we're gonna make a cold cake. Whoopsie, I dropped some. Okay. Let's add the gelatin now. I need this thing. Can you see me from outside that I'm mixing milk? Now we're gonna add the sugar. We're gonna move this. Whoa, that is 10 pounds of sugar. Mom, can you move those? Let's pour the chocolate in. Here you go, Mommy. This is gonna be. Let's transfer this to the stove. I'm gonna demold it. Demold it. Dirty, dirty. Please. Oh my goodness. Guys, look at this pretty cake. But it's so pretty, but it looks like it's gonna melt, but it doesn't matter. It's gonna taste so awesome, like a cake.
Okay. Try to cut it.
What? Try to cut it? Okay. I'm a little scared, guys. Ready? Should I cut it?
I'll cut it for you.
I'll cut it. Whoa. It is so good, guys.